Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start with a comprehensive eye exam performed by a licensed ophthalmologist or optometrist. The doctor measures visual acuity, refraction, intraocular pressure, and retinal health. Bring a list of medications, symptoms, family eye history, and past surgeries. Expect tests like slit lamp exam, dilated pupils, and visual field screening. Results guide treatment options such as glasses, contact lenses, or medical therapy. The doctor may order OCT imaging, retinal photos, or blood tests for systemic causes. After diagnosis, you will receive begin treatments based on diagnosis ranging from corrective lenses to prescription medications. Glasses or contact lenses correct refractive errors and improve daily visual acuity immediately. Medications include topical drops for glaucoma, antibiotics for infections, and anti-inflammatory drugs. For diabetic or macular disease, consider injections like anti-VEGF agents administered in clinic. Refractive surgery such as LASIK or PRK is discussed after stability and detailed screening. Follow-up visits monitor response, adjust treatment, and measure intraocular pressure. Adopt lifestyle measures to support eye health, including nutrition, sleep, and UV protection. Eat a diet rich in leafy greens, omega-3 fats, vitamin C, zinc, and lutein. Stop smoking, control blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol to lower eye disease risk. Practice the 20-20-20 rule to reduce digital eye strain during screen use. Use ergonomic lighting, maintain 3-5 inches of blink awareness, and take regular walking breaks. Schedule annual eye exams and report any sudden changes like flashes or new floaters immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.